What's up guys? In this video I'm going to explain to you how you should start working out if you're not in shape and you haven't worked out for a long time. If you want to see that, stick around. Okay, so if you haven't worked out for a while, you've been sedentary, you've got a job, you've got a family, whatever your reason is, basically the advice that you get from most fitness people is not so applicable to you. I'm sure you guys have been in a situation where you haven't worked out for a long time and then you go work out and your body is like super sore and like you can't even extend your arms and it's just not fun. So I feel like that experience prevents a lot of people from training regularly because they think that every time they go work out they're going to experience that soreness, when if you're doing things properly you either shouldn't feel it at all or you should feel maybe just a tiny little bit of soreness that is pretty much manageable by everybody. Okay, so rule number one, if you just started working out and you haven't worked out in a long time, do full body workouts, okay? Hit all the major muscle groups, biceps, triceps, chest, back, shoulders, and all of your legs, right? Front, back, calves, everything. The reason for this is because when you first start working out, the mentality that you want to have is that you're just kind of like oiling up the machine, okay? You haven't like trained your body in a long time. So you want to kind of just like pump blood or oil back into all of the moving parts so that when you start increasing the intensity and doing workouts that will, change your body in a more meaningful way, you won't be like really sore or, feel like shit or be underdeveloped in a certain area. Okay, so definitely do full body workouts. Now, I guess rule number 2 or 1.5 is to obviously join a gym and do the machines, okay? There's no, like a lot of people say like, oh, free weights are better than machines. And yeah, that's true. But once again, this is about like, if you have been working out for a long time, do the free weights and not the machines. If you're just starting out, there's no shame in doing the machines. Every time I will occasionally I'll have like a break of like 6 months where I won't go to the gym, or a year and I won't hit the gym. It happens, right? Normally when I'm working really hard. But every time I get back into it, I always will spend 2 weeks, sometimes 3, doing full body workouts on the machines, maybe not every day, maybe 4, 5, 6 times a week if I can handle it. So definitely do the machines. Don't feel like you need to like prove anything to anybody or lift a lot of weight to like impress people at the gym. Because number one, most people at the gym are probably way more insecure than you are, even though they're in better shape. And number 2, nobody cares. Nobody's looking at you. Like, okay, so you're fat, big deal. Like, literally nobody cares. Rule number 3, what I would recommend is learn how to do kettlebells, right? This goes back to the second rule where you're gonna do full body workouts, or the first rule. So because of the way a kettlebell is shaped, it's this big ball of iron with a handle, and when you do the exercise with it, the swinging motion of the bell will cause your body to engage stabilizer muscles that you won't engage when you're using dumbbells or barbells or anything like that. So it just helps to give you a little bit more of a more balanced body, which obviously is the reason why we're all doing this. In my experience working out with kettlebells, just a couple exercises are enough to give you just like a perfectly shaped body. Maybe not perfectly shaped, but like it'll hit everything and you don't need to like agonize over like, oh, well I did biceps and back yesterday, and before that I did legs. Like it takes all that out of it. You just literally do the couple exercises with kettlebells and you're good. Okay, the final tip, just spit everywhere. The final tip, if you are just working out or just getting back into working out, do some cardio, do something. If you don't have any joint issues, I think running is great. In the like bro science bodybuilder community, they'll say don't run, it kills your gains. But show me one professional athlete who does not run, right? They don't exist. And okay, sure, if you're a bodybuilder and you're looking to like be 300 pounds of like pure muscle, okay, fine. Maybe do the elliptical. I don't know. Maybe don't do that much cardio. Maybe just diet or something. But for most people, running or the recumbent bike or something is really good, because it helps to like improve your overall level of cardiovascular fitness, meaning that you'll be able to work out for a longer period of time and with a greater intensity, which means you'll progress faster and you'll get better results in less time. Plus it just makes you feel like, you feel really good when you stop running. Like I used to hate running, but ever since I started doing Muay Thai last year, like you have to run. It's not like you can't run. So I just kind of like learned to love it. And now I'll go on like, 5-6 mile runs just because I actually enjoy it. You put some headphones in, like nice audiobook, and that's it. You're good to go. Cool? So if you guys have any questions about working out, like what kind of workouts should you do, what exercises are good, if you're just starting out or if you haven't worked out in a while, how you get back started again, make sure you ask a comment. Let me know. I'm here to help you out. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.